expecting opposition from the opposition in Parliament today as far as the Waqf bill is concerned. The new Waqf bill is going to be tabled today, like we've been telling you. It will be brought in by Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju in Lok Sabha. It aims to overhaul the Waqf Act. It aims to include Muslim women, non-Muslims into all Waqf boards, and a separate AUQAF board is going to be established for Bohras and Aghanis. The bill, if passed, will make it mandatory for the Waqf to register their properties with the district collector, and the district collector would then decide whether a property is a Waqf property or a government land. Meanwhile, top opposition leaders are opposing the bill and will try their best in Parliament to stall the Waqf Amendment Bill.
The government wants to have a diversionary tactics. Government wants the budget not to be discussed. The mistakes they had made in the budget, they don't want to be discussed. Therefore, they want a diversionary tactics. In the previous week itself, these leakages started, and now it has become official in the Parliament that they are going to bring in a divisive effort again to divide on the religious basis and others. We are very clear that these kind of divisive attempts by the government is their agenda. They had been doing it for 10 years. Now people has reduced their majority from 303 to 240. After that also they are not learning.
This government always has very mischievous intentions. So we have to see why they are bringing this bill right now, what their intentions are. And we'll have to look at the details to see what their ulterior motives are.
We told in the meeting this is a hasty decision, so without any discussion of the concerned Muslim organizations and also concerned stakeholders, you are bringing this bill is some political advantage or polarization. Coming election, Maharashtra and Haryana election is coming. You want to a communal polarization. That's why you are bringing this bill very fast.
समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि पीडीए ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ वोट डाला है। पीडीए में अल्पसंख्यक भी आते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो अल्पसंख्यकों के अधिकारों को सीमित करना चाहती है, समाप्त करना चाहती है। इसलिए इस तरीके के बिल लेके आई है। उनकी मंशा बिल के जरिए जो जमीन है वो निजी हाथों में देने का उनकी योजना है। लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी इस बिल के आने के बाद, इसके ड्राफ्ट को पढ़ने के बाद अपनी आगे की प्रतिक्रिया जरूर देगी। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो जान ले कि पीडीए के खिलाफ काम करने से पीडीए वो अपने हक और की जो लड़ाई है उसको लड़ने से रुकने वाला नहीं है।
जिस तरीके से वो वक्फ बिल लाया गया है, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ क्या उनके अलायंस में भी इसके बारे में डिस्कशन हुआ है? क्या जेडीयू और टीडीपी इस वक्फ बिल को देख चुके हैं और क्या उन्होंने अपनी मंजूरी दी है? और अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है तो इट इज़ ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बिल आता है तो उसको सही तरीके से हर एक पार्लियामेंटेरियन हो, हर एक पक्ष हो, हर एक स्टेक होल्डर हो, उनकी सुनवाई हो और उसके आधार पे जो भी अमेंडमेंट्स करने हैं वो अमेंडमेंट्स हो।
That bill is going to be tabled today, and that is there in the list, and we will surely oppose it vehemently. I think everybody is united in this. I don't know what is the government supporters like, what they are going to, we don't know. But anyhow, India Alliance and even I feel that some of them who are giving support, they also, the two other parties, they also may join with us in this protest. So we are going to make it an issue like that.